Alright, so today I'm going to talk about how to make a smoothie with an immersion blender. For a long time I always made my smoothies with this guy here, which is a Vitamix. It's a pretty standard high-speed blender, and you can make awesome smoothies in here. There's no doubt about that. But ever since I switched to the immersion blender, I've found that it really changes, it really improves the quality and the taste of the smoothies. A couple of different things with the Vitamix. One thing that happens is, because it's such a high-speed blender, is that when you make smoothies in here, you'll notice, like, if you look down, you can see there's like a vortex that forms when you blend the smoothie, and that creates oxidization. And so if it's like a banana smoothie, I've found that when you make it in here, that the smoothie oxidizes quite quickly. You'll notice it turns brown very quickly, and it kind of has it starts to lose its flavor after a while. And I'm just not that crazy about it. But with this, the immersion blender, it doesn't have that same effect because it's not as powerful. See, that's just the blade right there. So it doesn't have that same effect. And the other thing that I really like about this immersion blender is that it's super easy to clean. That was always one of my biggest pet peeves about this guy here, is that, I don't know, it's just really annoying to clean. But this thing, it's just super easy. Like, you just get your hand down there and it takes 2 seconds. So I really like that aspect of it as well. And just the fact that it's portable and all that stuff. It's, just something that I wanted to talk about quickly, because I think it's something that more people should try. And so I'll just show you guys quickly, very quickly, how to do it. It's pretty simple. I like to just add a little bit of water to my smoothies because I like them really thick. And yes, I make my smoothies in a food processor bowl because, you need, with the immersion blender, you need like something big, like that you can, and something deep enough that you can like blend the thing into. So this just was the best thing that I have, and it works really well. It just has this thing in the middle that I have to be careful of, so I just, I have a technique of like, you'll see here I've got celery, I've got chunks of celery, I've got dates, I've got frozen cherries. You can blend, dates and frozen things are a little bit tougher with this, but if they have to be in small chunks, but it still works. You just have to do it a bit longer. There you go. Voila. So that's it. Super easy, super simple, and yeah, give it a try.